Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Broski. Today in this video I just want to show you how to get 5 terabyte of storage in Google Drive. So it's actually coming up to you completely free. How you can do this is very easy. Open up the Google Chrome or any browser you're using on your PCs, then type your Gemini, and once you got the result, check out for the official website of that, and then log into your Gmail account, and then go click on upgrades, and here we can see we have these offers from Gemini. Just Google AI Pro is just going to give me 400 GB and 5 terabytes actually coming up with Google AI Pro, and this completely zero. When I just click on get this offer, I'm gonna click on agree, just asking me to fill up the payment method. So there you can see we have 1 month free trial just coming up for me, zero. And after that it's going to charge me $20, and I'm going to fill up that with my bank credit card, and even I'm going to earn Google Play point from this offer. So when I click on continue to subscribe to this plan, I will get 5 terabyte of storage, so that's cool. So here you can say subscribe to Google AI Pro, and here you can see we're gonna click to done and checking out for Google Drive here in our browser. So let me click over here on Drive, and you can see I got 5 terabytes of storage, and that's super cool thing ever I've seen these days. So that's all about how to get 5 terabytes of Google Drive. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick short videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.